happy new year. Oh my gosh, guys, it's January. I can't even believe it. All right, let's get straight to the point. We are having a nutrition workshop January 25th at 5:45. Guys, we haven't had an in-person workshop in a minute, so we are stoked about this workshop, and we truly, truly, truly hope that you get to make it. Things we're gonna go over are just how to eat. That's it. I know it's the beginning of the year. Everybody is super pumped and super gets the message of new year, new you, eat less, lose weight. That's not what we're gonna talk about. It's not, because what ends up happening a lot of times is we go super hard and then we stop. And then we stop, and then maybe we gain the weight back, or maybe we never learned how to eat in the first place. So that's what we're going to do. We're gonna talk about basic nutrition. We're gonna look at what does your body need? What should you be eating? This is not I'm gonna push paleo, we're gonna push gluten-free, we're gonna push vegan, none of the above. You can take this information and use it for what works best for you. Because just like everything else, your body is unique, your health is unique, your healing is unique, you are unique. So join us for this workshop to be able to sit down and be truthful. Like, let's talk about what it is that you're eating. Let's talk about the foods that you think are good foods or bad foods. Number one, we should stop that labeling, but let's start there. Let's get into the nitty gritty. Let's discuss all of that together, and let's learn and let's come up with a game plan that's going to be a solid game plan for this year. So again, January 25th, 5:45, join us in office. There is a sign-up sheet at the front desk with Laura. Of course, you can RSVP to this email as well, but we are looking forward to seeing you all then. Bye.